In this video, I will show you how to split data into different columns in Microsoft Excel. So we have this example data. Select it and click on this data tab. Here click on text to column. Select delimited, then click on next. Here select delimiters. It can be tab, semicolon, comma, space or any other. In my case, I have space between two words. Then click on next and here you can see the preview. After split, your data will be look like this. Next, click here and select like this. I want to split data in this two column B2 and C2. Then click on finish. Click on OK. So this is the way guys you can split data in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching.